Huion have just recently released a trio of new creative pen tablets, and today we're going to be looking at the smaller of the three, the RTS-300. The tablet is housed in the now familiar stylish Huion packaging with its coloured swirly lines and plain white box. Very nice. Okay, let's get the unboxing underway. The tablet comes in two flavours, Cosmo Black and Blossom Pink. It's the latter we have today here in the studio to test. Obviously that's the back with the four rubber feet to keep it on the desk. There's the USB-C port and the black ribbon for sticking your pen in when not in use. You also get the quick start guide, USB-C cable, OTG adapter for using with your phone, spare nibs, pen holder. As you'll see, no nibs inside this one. And the pen itself, the new PW400. Across the top of the tablet are the 6 shortcut or express keys. Once the drivers have been installed, plug one end to your laptop and the other end into the tablet itself and you're good to go. The buttons feel nice when pressed with a reassuring click. The texture surface makes a slight scratchy noise when you draw on it, but this isn't a problem. The pen is Huion's new P400 design, which they claim that the brand new appearance ensures a comfortable grip and the advanced pen technology makes drawing with it as natural as a real pencil. Well, it did feel light in the hand and has an anti-slip silicone grip which felt nice in the fingers when drawing. It's a 2-button pen which can be reconfigured in the driver software to suit your needs. Eraser and right click works fine for me. As with all of these pens now, it doesn't need charging and supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60 degrees of tilt. Pen pressure worked excellent. Variable line widths, as expected, were produced by pressing lighter or harder on the tablet. The pen feels really comfortable. Here's some more details about the pen and the tablet for all you tech heads out there. Left-handed designers and illustrators can take to the streets and celebrate, as they too can use this tablet as the shortcut keys are located at the top of the device. It's a small tablet and very light, so portability isn't an issue. In fact, one of the main selling points of this device is you can use it on the go. Using the supplied OTG adapter, you can plug the tablet into a compatible Android tablet or phone and continue working in your favourite coffee shop. The driver software is straightforward and simple to navigate through. You can change the setting of the 6 keys and the 2 on the pen. The pressure sensitivity is simple to adjust. You just drag the curved line in the pressure sensitivity adjustment box on the left and draw in the right box until it feels right for you. The other tabs enable you to back up your settings, a handy link to Huion's website, and you can even change the colour of the software. Decisions. The tablet surface is covered with a texture sheet which, according to Huion, is not only anti-fingerprint but feels like drawing on paper. Well, I have to say, drawing on it was indeed lovely and smooth, and the pen does glide across the surface with ease. It does make a bit of a scratchy sound, but that's not really noticeable. But I did notice a huge fingerprint on the tablet, so take that claim with a pinch of salt. Just don't get your fingers on it after doing that. If perhaps you're a student, new to digital art, on a budget, or simply want a small pink graphics tablet, then this is what you'll need. It works with all the top creative software from Adobe, Corel, and runs on Windows, Mac and Android. That wraps up this review. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you next time.